Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a fantastic product to share with you that I know you're going to love. It's the USB programming cable for Motorola Radio HT750, HT1250 Pro 5150, GP328, GP340, GP380, GP640, GP680, GP960, GP1280. If you're a radio enthusiast or a professional who uses Motorola radios, this cable is an absolute must-have. Now, let me tell you why this cable is so amazing. First of all, it's incredibly versatile. It can be applied on a wide range of operating systems, including Windows 98 ME, 2000, 2003, XP, 7, 8, and Vista. This means that no matter what computer you're using, this cable will work for you. But here's the best part. This cable is compatible with a whole host of Motorola radio models, including the PTX series, GP series, HT series, MTX series, Pro series, and MTP series. It's the perfect tool for programming and managing your radios with ease. And if you're worried about setting it up, don't be. We provide you with all the information you need to install the USB driver software and find the correct COM port on your computer. It's a breeze to get everything up and running. So, here's the deal. If you want to take your radio programming to the next level, this USB programming cable is an absolute game changer. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable. So, if you want to get your hands on one of these amazing cables, check the link in the description below. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Are you looking for a reliable and versatile AVR ISP programmer for your microcontroller and Arduino projects? Look no further, because we've got just the thing for you, the Programmer Stock 500 AVR ISP compatible double header interface. This amazing programmer is compatible with the Stock 500 and is perfect for burning programs for AVR microcontrollers and uploading bootloader for Arduino. With support for a wide range of IDE versions and chips, including 8MB, 8Tiny, and at 90S series, this programmer is a must-have for any serious developer. One of the standout features of this programmer is its double header interface, which includes both standard ICSP10P and ICSP6P, allowing for seamless connectivity and programming. The USB to serial TTL chip CH340 ensures a stable and reliable connection to your computer, making programming a breeze. But that's not all. This programmer comes with a PC driver and USB cable, so you're all set to get started right out of the box. And the best part? It's incredibly affordable and offers fantastic value for money. So, if you're serious about taking your programming projects to the next level, don't hesitate. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the Programmer Stock 500 AVR ISP compatible double header interface today. Join the ranks of satisfied developers who have unlocked the full potential of their AVR and Arduino projects with this amazing programmer. Don't miss out, get yours now. Hey there friends, welcome back to another exciting episode of our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our awesome content. Today, we've got something really special to share with you, the amazing 36V48V500W Ebike Conversion Kit with a long battery and front rear wheel hub motor. This incredible kit is designed to transform your regular bicycle into a powerful and efficient electric bike, giving you the freedom to ride farther and faster than ever before. Let's talk about what's included in this kit. You'll get a hub motor wheel with rim spokes, a motor extension cable, a motor controller, a controller box, a display, 861 LCD, a pair of brake levers or brake sensors, a thumb/half twist/full twist throttle, an upgraded 12 magnets pedal assistant sensor, a waterproof 1T4 cable, and a set of accessories like screws, plastic ties, and a manual. And as a special gift, you'll also receive a headlight to light up your way on those night rides. But that's not all. You also have the option to add on a long battery with a choice of 36V15Ah, 48V20Ah, or 48V24Ah, all complete with a charger to keep you powered up and ready to go. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why should I invest in this conversion kit? Well, let me tell you. With this kit, you'll be able to take your cycling game to the next level. Whether you're commuting to work, running errands, or hitting the trails for some off-road adventure, this electric bike conversion kit will give you the extra power and speed you need to conquer any terrain. Plus, it's eco-friendly and cost-effective. You'll be reducing your carbon footprint and saving money on gas and transportation costs. And let's not forget the health benefits of cycling. With the assistance of an electric motor, you can ride longer distances and enjoy the outdoors without feeling exhausted. So, if you're ready to take the leap and upgrade your cycling experience, click the link in the description to get your hands on the 36V48V500W Ebike Conversion Kit today. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your ride and embrace the electric bike revolution. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Happy riding, and we'll see you in the next one. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an amazing product to review, and trust me, you do not want to miss out on this one. Introducing the soft silicone band for Apple Watch, compatible with the latest models 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 3 SE. This strap is not only stylish but also incredibly comfortable, perfect for all-day wear. The design of this band is absolutely stunning. It's sleek, modern, and the perfect accessory to elevate your Apple Watch. You can choose from a variety of sizes: 49mm, 45mm, 41mm, 40mm, 44mm, 38mm, and 42mm, to ensure the perfect fit for your wrist. The soft silicone material is gentle on the skin, and the strap is designed to be breathable, so you won't have to worry about discomfort. The best part is that this band is incredibly durable. It's built to withstand everyday wear and tear, so you can confidently wear it during your workouts, outdoor activities, or just during your daily routine. Plus, it's super easy to install and remove, making it convenient to switch up your look whenever you want. So, if you want to take your Apple Watch to the next level, I highly recommend checking out this soft silicone band. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your style and comfort with this amazing product. Check the link in the description to get your hands on one today. Trust me, you won't regret it.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something really exciting to share with you. If you're tired of being held back by cords and cables when you're on the go, then you're going to love what I'm about to show you. Introducing the Baseus Bowie EZ10TWS earphones, the ultimate wireless solution for all your audio needs. With the latest Bluetooth 5.3 technology, these earphones offer seamless connectivity and fast transmission of audio signals, so you can enjoy your music without any interruptions. But that's not all. These earphones also feature true wireless communication, so you can experience complete freedom without the hassle of tangled wires. And with a low latency rate of 0.06s, you can enjoy crystal clear sound quality without missing a single beat. The fast charging case means you can top up your earphones on the go and keep the music playing for longer periods of time. And with a music playing time of about 5 hours and a playtime of 22 to 25 hours with the charging bin, these earphones are designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. Plus, with app settings support and a unique hood-less case with powerful magnets, the Baseus Bowie EZ10 earphones are as convenient as they are sleek. So, if you're looking for a truly wireless solution that offers top-notch sound quality, long battery life, and convenient features, then the Baseus Bowie EZ10TWS earphones are the perfect choice for you. Don't miss out on this game-changing audio experience. Click the link in the description to get your hands on a pair of these amazing earphones. Trust me, you won't be disappointed. And while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we have an amazing product to review and showcase to you all. Introducing the Action Camera H9R Ultra HD 4K Wi-Fi Remote Control Sports Video Recording Camcorder DVR DVGo Waterproof Pro Mini Helmet Camera. This incredible digital camera is designed for capturing all your adventurous moments and preserving them as beautiful memories. With its sturdy waterproof shell, this camera allows you to dive up to 30 meters underwater, making it perfect for water sports enthusiasts. Whether you're swimming, diving, or surfing, This camera is your perfect companion. But that's not all. This camera also comes with a Wi-Fi function, allowing you to connect it to your iOS or Android device and enjoy the big screen experience with ease. The efficient sensor of this camera ensures rapid processing, high resolution, and easy analysis of images and videos. The specifications of this camera are truly impressive. With a 5 million pixel camera, 140° A+ level high-resolution ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 2.0-inch LCD touchscreen, you can expect nothing but the best quality videos and images. Plus, with a storage capacity of up to 64 GB, you'll never have to worry about running out of space. The package includes everything you need to get started, from the waterproof box to the charging cable and bicycle bracket. It's truly an all-in-one package that's perfect for anyone who loves adventure and capturing every thrilling moment. So what are you waiting for? Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing action camera H9R. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible product and start capturing your adventures in stunning 4K quality. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting reviews and product showcases. Thank you for watching. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tech review on the channel. Today, we are diving into the world of smart kitchen appliances with the XIAOMI MIJIA Air Fryer 4.5L Multifunctional Household Low Oil and Light Fat Fryer. This sleek and intelligent air fryer is a game changer when it comes to healthy and delicious cooking. With its circular air duct design, this air fryer allows for cooking without the need for turning, making it a convenient and hassle-free option for your kitchen. Whether you're air frying, grilling, baking, thawing, or fermenting, the XIAOMI MIJIA Air Fryer has got you covered. The 360 degrees ring-shaped hot air speed frying ensures uniform crispness without all the greasiness, helping you achieve that perfect texture without compromising on taste. And with the upgraded 3-dimensional Silicone fryer basket, you won't need to worry about turning your food to ensure even cooking. It does all the work for you. One of the standout features of this air fryer is its wide range of temperature control, ranging from 40 to 200 degrees Celsius, allowing you to meet the needs of a variety of frying and baking. And with the built-in NTC intelligent temperature control technology, precise temperature control is no longer an issue, ensuring that your food is perfectly cooked every time. But the innovation doesn't stop there. With the Mi Home app mobile control, you'll have access to over 50 smart recipes, making it easy to whip up delicious and healthy meals for you and your family. And let's not forget about the food-grade non-stick coating, making cleaning up a breeze after a satisfying meal. What's more, the XIAOMI MIJIA Air Fryer has a 4.5L gold capacity, allowing you to cook more food in one go, perfect for feeding the whole family without the hassle of multiple cooking sessions. But don't just take my word for it. The shop behind this amazing product believes in quality products, fast and considerate service, and the best prices to help you find the ideal products quickly. Plus, they offer a 12-month product maintenance guarantee and a hassle-free return policy, ensuring that you are completely satisfied with your purchase. So, if you're ready to take your cooking game to the next level and enjoy healthy, flavorful meals with ease, I highly recommend checking out the XIAOMI MIJIA Air Fryer 4.5L Multifunctional Household Low Oil and Light Fat Fryer. Click the link in the description to get your hands on this innovative kitchen must-have today. Happy cooking! Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am super excited to share with you a game-changing product that will revolutionize the way you enjoy the great outdoors. Introducing the folding portable mosquito net for trips mesh tent with zipper outdoor new camping mosquito net tent with bottom for single bed. This innovative and lightweight mosquito net is made of polyester fabric, making it suitable for accommodating 1 to 2 people. Weighing only 0.58 kilograms, it is incredibly easy to store and carry, making it perfect for camping, hiking, picnics, and a multitude of outdoor activities. What truly sets this mosquito net apart is its easy setup. This screenhouse room-style canopy is ready to use out of the box with no assembly required. In less than a minute, you can have it set up and enjoy the great outdoors without the hassle of dealing with mosquitoes. The unique triangle design of this mosquito net ensures stability, with a durable center hub on the side for attaching more exterior and more sturdiness. The mesh gauze style allows for air circulation, preventing mosquitoes from entering and providing you with a comfortable camping space. Not only is this mosquito net foldable and easy to carry, but it also requires no installation and offers a dense grid for protection against mosquitoes. With a size of 100 x 220 x 73 cm for one person and 130 x 220 x 73 cm for 2 people, You can take it anywhere you go. So, if you're tired of being bothered by pesky mosquitoes when you're out enjoying nature, I highly recommend checking out the folding portable mosquito net for trips. Mesh tent with zipper, outdoor new camping mosquito net tent with bottom for single bed. Trust me, it's a game changer. Check out the link in the description to get your hands on this amazing product and say goodbye to mosquito bites during your outdoor adventures. Don't miss out, your next trip will thank you for it. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more great products and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.